Say hello to OGarden Smart, the future of indoor gardening. OGarden Smart is an indoor gardening system that allows you to grow fresh produce at home. Unlike most indoor gardening systems, OGarden Smart can grow up to 90 fruits and vegetables simultaneously, significantly supplementing your grocery shopping in a way that no other indoor gardening system has done before. And since it's indoors, you never have to worry about the weather affecting what you grow or when you grow it. Get perfect fruits and veggies all year round. OGarden Smart is easy to use. Simply place your seeds and growing cups in the nursery cabinet below. When the seeds sprout, transfer them to the wheel. There, they'll grow large enough to harvest. The rotating wheel keeps your roots moist and can host up to 60 plants, while the nursery cabinet below can hold up to 30 plants, giving you a constant rotation of 30 crops at all times. The automatic low energy consumption LEDs simulate the perfect amount of sunshine, and the automatic watering gives your produce exactly the amount it needs for optimal growth. Growing your produce at home means no pesticides, no herbicides, and no waste. Just incredibly fresh food for you and your family that you can harvest right when you need it. OGarden is clean, bright, beautiful, and the perfect addition to any area of your home. From dinner with your friends to quality time with your family, OGarden is there to provide fresh, delicious produce to you and the ones you love.
The Miracle-Gro AeroGarden Classic 6. Grow fresh herbs, vegetables, and more year-round with this smart countertop garden. It's easy to set up. Your herbs and vegetables grow naturally in pure water and air. No soil required. You can watch it sprout in days, harvest in just weeks, and enjoy fresh herbs and vegetables again and again for months. The AeroGarden Classic 6 comes with everything you need to start growing. The Classic 6 will grow up to 6 plants at a time, and plants can grow up to 12 inches high with a fully adjustable lamp arm. Just select what you want to grow on the easy-to-use control panel. The AeroGarden Classic 6 will automatically create the optimal conditions for your plants, remind you to add plant food, and show you when to add water. The advanced 20-watt LED lighting system delivers optimal light for plant growth, and lights automatically turn on and off.
This is PlantHive, the smartest mini garden solution with only one mission: to keep your plants alive. With its smart lighting and the patent-pending auto watering system, PlantHive is one product solution for anyone to grow herbs and flowers indoors easily. Fill the water tank, plant the seeds, plug it in, and you're good to go. PlantHive consists of 4 main units: the light tower, 5 auto pots, the floater unit, and the water tank. The auto pots sit on the floater unit. As you fill the tank, the floating action creates an osmotic pressure, helping PlantHive to distribute the same amount of water to plants no matter how much the tank is filled, so you can grow your plants without worrying about overwatering or underwatering. A full tank provides 30 days of water to your plants, but if you're going to be away for a while, you can overfill the tank for up to an extra 30 days. The water tank prevents unwanted evaporation, which helps PlantHive use 85% less water compared to regular methods. Plants may require different amounts of water. By adjusting the intensity of water for each autopot separately, you can grow 5 different species at the same time. You can use 2 different size canopy supports for rather bushy or top-heavy plants. The light tower is retractable and compact for saving space. The single button on top lets you control the intensity of the light and switch between different light cycles. The PlantHive mobile app lets you create custom light schedules and adjust the lights remotely. PlantHive can measure the intensity of the light around it, and it can self-adjust to prevent any unnecessary power consumption. Besides the electrical components, PlantHive Diversity is made out of recycled and biodegradable materials with stability and quality in mind. We've tried to make PlantHive fun and easy to use while supporting a wide range of seeds for your growing experience. Culinary Pack contains herbs that you can use as fresh condiments in your kitchen for adding that extra flavor to your dishes. Health Pack contains herbs and flowers which we, as humans, have been using medicinally for thousands of years. Diversity Pack provides plants catering to your decorative needs by matching the color profile of a photograph that you provide using the PlantHive mobile app. Our mission is to empower and inspire people to grow plants whenever and wherever they please.
Meet Herbert, your very own vertical farm for fresh chilies, mint, basil, chives, strawberries, you name it, Herbert can grow it. We created Herbert for you, because we wanted to make it possible for everyone to grow their own food. Doesn't matter if you don't have a lot of space, time, or even if you don't have a green thumb. In Herbert, you can grow up to 15 plants at the same time, and you can harvest them whenever you need it. This way, you can reduce your food waste too. And the best thing is, you know what's in your food. No GMO, no pesticides, no herbicides, because you're growing everything at home. Plants in Herbert grow directly in water. Growing this way is called hydroponics, and it makes planting less messy and consumes around 90% less water than growing plants in soil. And with our in-house developed LED technology, which mimics sunlight, you can grow fresh vegetables, herbs, and strawberries all year round. And with a simple swipe in our app, you can change the light settings to suit your own needs. In Herbert, you can produce around 80 to 90 heads of lettuce every year. Growing hydroponically yields 40% more harvest than growing with traditional farming methods.
PICO. A tiny farm that fits in your palm. PICO is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep, it actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. PICO lets you be a little lazy, but a whole lot more responsible. Done, done, and done. So, the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you. Dear nature, welcome home.